Welcome to lesson number 10. This is the last lesson in this course, and in this lesson I want to do something a little different because I think that at this point you get how to build a layout, how to align items, and how to just add content overall. In this lesson we're gonna look at responsive design. So this means that the design isn't static but changes, and in this case it changes form factor. Because maybe you've noticed that a website that you saw online looks different on your phone. Well, that is responsive design. It works basically like this. The browser sees the size of your screen and determines which version of the website you need to see. And we're gonna sort of build this function into our website. So let's make that happen. And really quickly before we do that, let's fix those colors because that is not necessary anymore. Let's make the footer black. And this bar needs to be the same blue as the text right here. So that would be this blue. And let's go to that bar. And let's change it to that color. And there we go. We're gonna add one thing in our HTML, which is supposed to show what media query does, which is the thing that we will build in a second. In the images div, I'm gonna add an H1 and I'm gonna type mobile version. Okay, as you can see, we have now added this text right here next to the images, but we only want this text to show when the page is a certain size, which would for instance be the screen size of a phone. So what we first need to do is go to our CSS right here and make this title disappear for now. How we do that is we type the div that it's in, so that is images, hashtag images, and now after images we will type h1 because it's an h1 tag, and now we can say display type none, and now it's gone and we're back to normal, but it is still there waiting to be shown. Type add media screen, and now we open the brackets, max width dot 660 pixels. And now if we add curly brackets in here like normal, we can change stuff on the page. We're gonna copy this over, and instead of none we're gonna set it to flex, which means that it's visible, and we're gonna do the opposite thing for these pictures. Hashtag images, image, curly brackets, display type none. And I've forgotten this space, you need to add that here, and now it works. So as you can see right now, you can see the images. If I make it a little bit smaller, a little bit more, now the images disappear and the text mobile version appears. And this is a really simple application, but think about this. You can change your whole CSS just with a screen size at media query, right? And that way you can just change the whole website and just make two websites basically that can display properly on different sort of screens. So that is the point of media query. Thank you for watching this last lesson, and I'll see you in the outro.